Okay, so if you're having problems with learning target 6.3, then that is vertical motion model. And you should know what vertical motion model is. It is h equals negative 16 t squared plus vt plus s, where we don't know the time. The h is the ending height right here, and up here the ending height would be when the rock hits the water. So how high is it above the water when it hits the water? We don't know t. The v is the initial velocity, which is right there, 15 feet per second. And the s, then s is the starting height here. And our starting height, it says, is 20. You can see the 20 right there. All right, so we're going to plug those things in and then just solve the equation. Well, since h is the ending height when it hits the water, it must be 0. Negative 16 t squared plus our initial velocity is 15. We don't know how long it's going to take again, and it starts at 20. We learned a number of ways to do this. Now that you know the quadratic equation, you could, or the quadratic formula, you could use that. Or we typed this into our calculator and did left bound, right bound stuff here after hitting second trace. Those notes are in your calculator help stuff that you've got in your binder. Also, when you want to find the maximum, which I think is the next question, when you graph this, it will look something like, well, it'll be a parabola since it's negative 16. It's going to look something like this. And when you're asked to find the highest height, that is the maximum. And to find that, you need to do left bound, right bound of the maximum. And that's in the second trace also stuff there. So that's in your calculator notes also if you need to refer to that.